What's going on YouTube, Geosnow right here. So in today's video we're discussing about the Odyssey jailbreak that was released for iOS 13.7, 13.6 and 13.6.1 and even 13.5.1. This jailbreak was released yesterday and it works for the A12 and A13 devices as well, and it also works for the A10 and the A11 devices with no problem. The jailbreak comes with Sileo and not with Cydia, but you can actually install Cydia if you want to. So the Odyssey team announced yesterday, quote, Odyssey 1.2 is now available with support for 13.0 to 13.7 and an improved exploit reliability on 13.0 to 13.5. So the reason I didn't make a video yesterday about this is because I wanted to wait for a no computer version. Maybe one of these signing services would have it signed, but unfortunately none of them have it signed at this moment. So if no computer version is available, you have to download the IPA file from here by pressing download and going here to 1.2, press download, and of course you will be able to get the IPA and sign it with whatever you want. You can get it signed with the Alt Store on both Windows and Mac OS. There is a tutorial in the description down below if you want to use it, but if you're on an older Mac you can use iOS App Signer. So for those of you who are using the Alt Store, you can press here to add the Alt Store repo. That is also a shortcut for those of you with reprovision and stuff like that. So once you get the IPA file you can install it. I'm going to show you now how to jailbreak with Odyssey on iOS 13.7 and lower. But before we do that, shout out to all the people who joined the Discord server that I created for the iDevice Central. If you want to join it and talk about jailbreaking and stuff, definitely check out the invitation link below. Here we talk about jailbreaks and iOS and anything like that, so definitely check it out. So as I said, you can use either the iOS App Signer or Alt Store or any other program that can sign IPA files for you. The Alt Store is available for Windows and Mac OS, however it requires a newer Mac OS version. So if you have an older one like I do, definitely get iOS App Signer. So with App Signer, what you have to do is to first open Xcode, and we're going to have to create a blank project. So create new Xcode project in here and you will be good to go. You go here, single view application, and of course give it a name. It can be random, so Odyssey test, whatever. Press next and save it somewhere on your desktop, press create, and that's it. This will create a signing profile for you. So wait for this to complete in here, and keep in mind this is only for older Macs. If you have a newer Mac or Windows, definitely use Alt Store. A tutorial is available in the description down below. So once you did this, you can close this one in here and open the iOS App Signer, which will take a couple of seconds to load, but once it does, you will be able to sign the IPA file. So it looks like this. You have to drag the Odyssey application in there, and here on the provisioning profile, select the name of the one that you just created. So Odyssey test, and this one here, not the UI tests. So that one would work. We press start and that's it. We press save again, replace, and now we're going to have everything signed for us. Once you get that, you can open Xcode again and go here to Window and to Devices and Simulators, and you can see the device is now connected. You're going to have to unlock it first before you can do anything. That would allow Xcode to communicate with the device with no problem. So as you can see, it's preparing it for development. And here we can drag it and drop it on the installed applications, and it will then install it with no problem. So we're going to wait for it to complete the installation, and there you go. Odyssey is now installed here on the list. We can close this, and now we can move to the device. So at this point, you have the Odyssey application installed. As I said, there are multiple ways to get it. It will probably also be available in App Valley soon, but anyways, we got it. We can open it by pressing in here. It doesn't necessarily have this color on your device, but it doesn't matter. We press jailbreak, and that's it. I'm gonna be right back once it completes. Alright, so after the reboot that is required by Odyssey, you have now the Sileo application installed, so we can open it, and there you go. Everything seems to be okay. We have two packages in here that we can upgrade, so I'm going to press upgrade, and of course upgrade them all. Now we have to go here to the queue and press confirm. So it's basically working. Everything seems to be working fine and there is no problem. The jailbreak works on iOS 13.7 all the way down to iOS 13.5.1. So as you can see, it works pretty well. Now the jailbreak also works for 13.5 and lower, but that's not part of the update. It already used to work on those versions. So everything seems to be okay in here. We can browse the sources, and as you can see, we can go here, open a package, and see exactly everything that is available. So let me actually install a package. I'm going to install new term, and there we go, new term. Open it in here, press get, and of course we have it queued, and press confirm. So you can see that everything seems to be installing with no problem. Now this has actually been released only for a day, so so there might be bugs still in there. You should definitely report them to the Odyssey team if you do find some. So yeah, that's basically it. Enjoy your jailbreak on 13.7 and lower, A12, A13, A11, A10 and stuff like that, but this one doesn't support A8 and A9 for the moment. The support may be added in the future. So yeah, thank you for watching, I am GeoSnow, till the next time, subscribe to stay updated and peace.